Oh, come on. Okay, place some blocks. Oh god, it's a zombie! Yeah! Come on! Oh damn it, go kill my zombie! Come on! Stupid Minecraft! Oh, come on! Rosa! No, I'm so angry!
I'm having a pee, peeing all over the seat. I'm peeing everywhere, peeing all over the place. Oh! What the hell was that? God damn it! Okay, I'm cleaning you and you're getting clean. Yeah, I'm cleaning you, kid, 'cause you are my boyfriend. Oh my god! Kid! No! Kid!
Alright, everyone put your guns down. Well, god damn it, zombies! You shot me when I was trying to play Minecraft and eat my candy!
Well, you shot me when I was having a piss. And one of you shot Ken.
Fox, seriously, he's a doll.
He's my boyfriend.
Yeah, right.
Ah!
Oh, Rosa! Ah! Freddy! You all dare to challenge the king of the Nerf gang? Freddy, it was you!
God damn you, Freddy!
Oh yeah? How don't you try to catch me, you little midgets? Oh, where are you, Joey's? Where are you?
You'll never get me, sir.
Aha! What? Gotcha, dummies! Gotcha! Looper, do teabag! Suck it, dummies!
Get back here!
Okay, Fox is after me!
Come out, sir. Come out and play.
Hello.
I'm coming.
Oh, wait, what's Joey's doing? Ha! Oh, Joey's got him!
Ha! Take that, sir.
Oh, actually, you missed me, Joey's!
Oh, I'm coming for you.
Oh, no! Okay, oh, Jawbeast! Haha!
You won't find me, Freddy.
Oh, yeah? Guess what I've got?
What?
Your world! Ah! Nobody can beat the king of a Nerf gang! Oh, I'm after you, boys! Okay, steady, okay.
I'm coming for you, sir.
Maybe!
Die, sir. I'm coming, sir. Ah! Well, where are you?
Suck it, Jawbeast!
Come on, sir.
Go.
This is for Ken.
Oh God! Oh no, there's no RPG!
Die!
Oh no! I'm out of ammo! I'm screwed! I think it hurts!
Time to die, Thorax.
Oh!
Die, Freddy!
Okay. Here we go. Okay, here we go.
Sir! What have I told you about playing with those damn Nerf guns?
Yeah, you're not gonna win, Fox. You're not gonna. Haha, got you now, sir.
Sir, what have I told you about playing with those damn Nerf guns?
What are you shooting, baby?
I was just about to shoot you in the back.
Oh, that's a bit odd. I want to shoot, baby. Watch your nuts.
Hey. All right, sir. I told you to stop fighting with those damn Nerf guns. Now I gotta teach you a lesson. Damn it, sir!
You want some of this, you? Oh, you want this? No.
What the hell's going on here? Ah! Pay! Pay! Oh crap! What the hell did you shoot me for? It was an accident, man. It was an accident. God damn it!
Yeah, you told me you did it, Dad.
Oh man, I'm sorry. Oh. God damn it! How do I get this thing to work? Oh, you idiot, Chef Baby. Now, if you do that ever again, playing around with these playing around with these Nerf guns, you goddamn idiot. Now get inside now, before I kick your ass even more. Oh, I feel sick. Oh, you got me in the balls. Shut up.
Oh, no, sort. Hey, Dad, is it pizza night?
Yeah, that's right. Now
I'll just finish this game, okay, Dad?
Okay, now get in there, PP, and sort those pizzas out.
Oh, Sammy, we were like a big baby, and she got shot in the balls.
He really...
No, he went too far, and you're far for this time. It was really cool, Joyce.
Your dad's gonna be so pissed.
Yeah, guys, let's put our guns down. I think we should all call for troops, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah, it would be good to have troops, then we get to have more people for war, don't you think, Joyce?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Hey, Brutus! Wait, Prince Donkey? What's he doing?
What's he got there?
Let's do his bitches! Huh? Wait, what? Bernard! Wait, what? Wait! What the fuck? Fire again! You are terrorist! Get down! Jobbers! Don't cover now! Sniper will stop. Jobbers, you got him!
I got this!
He's dead, Jobbers.
Good. Hey!
Hey guys, why don't we just go grab some pizza now? Well, I'm kind of hungry anyway, after all the fight we did.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I think so. Let's take all these guns back inside first. Yeah, we quite made a lot of mess. I don't want my dad to find out.
Oh, he's gonna be pissed anyway.
Yeah, come on, let's do this.